Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I have my Chrome over here and look for Microsoft Rewards. Click on the specific link over here about Microsoft Rewards, and then you will have this on your screen, the home page. Make sure you're signed in, right? Now scroll down, click over here, visit the rewards dashboard, and click on visit the dashboard. It will pop up a new tab on your browser, and over here, you will see all of your available points. Now, as long as you have tons of points available, you should be able to redeem Robux. Okay. So over here, there's a bunch of daily set, more activities that you can actually get points from. So this section, click on redeem. And the very first option is Roblox digital card. Click on it, and you will give you options to select. We have 400, 800 or 1000 Robux, depending on how much points you have. Okay. You can also set this to auto redeem. So whenever you have enough points, it will automatically be deducted and you will gain Robux. All right. And pretty much that's it. As long as you have points available, you can grind, and get more points. You should be able to get more Robux. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.